how to set live timers and countdowns on Discord. So if you want to set live timers and countdowns on Discord, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search, open up your browser, and under search you need to search for hammertime.ciou/en GB and then hit the enter. And here, as you can see, that it's not available in my region, but if it is available, then you will have an option of date and time right here, and then you'll have the time zone. So you just need simply go and set date and time. And you can also go with the time zone. You can set your date and time zone. And once you've set, and after setting it, you will see the example result of how exactly it will show to everyone viewing it on Discord, regardless of where their actual time zone is. What makes this so useful is that it'll display the correct time and date with the correct time zone for anyone viewing it regardless of wherever they are. So in order to access the chat countdown feature, you want to look for the icon with the person and the clock next to him. That is a countdown chat syntax. We are looking for, so go ahead and copy the code from the HammerTime website, paste it to your text chat on Discord of your choice, and you want to add the capital letter R right here on the last after the colon or on the end of the chat within the syntax. And after you send that, it'll show whether the time that we choose on Hammer Time will be before or after the current time based on Discord servers. And in this way, you'll be able to set timers and countdowns on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.